Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Constitutional Values and Fundamental Duties. Name of the course is it's a back course. And for semester, it's for semester from 1 to 4. And total duration is 2.5 hours. Maximum marks is 70. And there are two parts, part A and B. Part A is of 30 marks and part B of 40 marks. Do read the instruction for candidates for before attempting the question. For part A, first question is compulsory. Attempt any two from, and the rest carries 10 marks each. Question 1. Write short notes and two of the following. First, we the people of India. Second, fundamental duties. Third, the right to freedom. Question 2. How does the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution encourage equality? Question 3. What is the significance of right to constitution remedies? Article 32. Discuss some. Question 4. Discuss some of the fundamental duty mentioned in Article 51A of the Constitution. Then the part B. It's a 40 marks. Answer any four questions. Each question carries 10 marks. Question 1. What is the right to equality significant in the why is right to equality significant in the Indian Constitution? Discuss. Question 2. How is separation of power put to work in the Constitution of India? Discuss. Question 3. Discuss the nature of liberties guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Question 4. Elaborate on Article 51A of the Constitution. Question 5. What are the salient features of Indian Constitution? Thank you. If you guys want any different rules of any other subjects, do mention in the comments. I will post as soon as can. And subscribe for more do stuff or content. Bye for now.